So just another update from Kraken. We got some pretty cool stuff that we just got in, and we listed on the website so you guys can take a look at, but here's a closer look at what we got. First item I'll show you today is this Pixel Planet Lanyard. This features 4 pins. There are hard enamel. It comes on a beautiful card here. We have a passport holder for your Disney passes or any other item that you'd like to carry in here with a pretty little bow at the top. We have a new stitch lanyard also. This one features Pudge on the keychain. We have some items that we listed in the shop just a while back ago, but are still new enough to show off. This is a FigPin Forky. And going with the theme of Cinderella, we have a FigPin Cinderella. She is number 224. Over here we have something really exciting. Blind boxes are one of my favorite items to show because you never know what you're going to get, and it makes it fun to trade with other friends online. So this is the Villains blind box, 6 in total. And as you can see here, we have one of them to show you. This is Cruella, which is this one right here at the bottom. And as you can see, these are also hard enamel, which is awesome. In the back, it has the copyrights of Disney. Put that one over here. We have Mickey and Friends here. And here over here on the side we have a closer look at Daisy. And a closer look at Mickey. 6 in total for this set. It's just different than the ones from the Villains. It's a whole separate little box. Pretty exciting nonetheless. So put this here. Next up we have these Disney Princess snow cones. This one here is Jasmine. And here we have Ariel. And then last but not least, we have here an incredible crossover with Little Green Men and other Pixar films. So here we have Little Green Men dressed up as Ratatouille. And here we have him dressed up as Wally. And then an update from Kraken here is that you have our standard pages, and for the first time ever we're going to be releasing not just a new color but also a bigger size. So this one differs from the original one that we have because it's slightly taller by about an inch and slightly wider. This one will be able to hold pins, an extra row of pins on both sides. And it comes with the benefit that you can get it in a multitude of colors now. First color that we'll introduce here today is pink. This is going to go on pre-sale on the Kraken Trade website later this month. It is made from the same material, which you all know and love, and it's very colorful and bright. I want to show you guys this cool little divider that we have. This one features 4 pockets. It's available on the Kraken Trade website, and it allows you to put pins with the backs on them into here, and it closes up nicely. Most pins will allow you to fit more than one here on the side, and since you don't have to worry about the backs, you can just slide this pin in and close that this way, so you can have pins on both sides. Comes with a different subsection of 9 here for the other size that we have. And this one fits most cards like Pin True to Delights and cards that are going to be 1.5 inches by 2.